barramundi with the dressing. So what we're gonna do, first of all, we're going to cut this one kind of ginger flower. There we go, as thinly as we can get it. Next, we're gonna cut our shallots. See, cut it. Oh my god, I thought this was a half because this is a pretty fat shallot. So we're gonna thinly slice it. As thin as you can. We've done all our things for our dressing, so let's make our dressing. So we got some fish sauce. I'm gonna pour it into a small bowl. And then raw sugar. And next up, we've got fresh kumquat, freshly squeezed kumquat, fresh from our garden. There we go. If you don't have kumquat, you can use lemon or lime. We put this to balance out the flavors. And if you feel like sugar's not the best thing, you add honey instead. Next up, we're gonna add the ingredients we just chopped up. The ginger flower. Let's put it in. Chili. Let's put it in. Shallot. Let's put it in. And kaffir line we just chopped. Well, that's not all yet. We still have to mix this up. It smells good. Something missing.
What's missing?
I think we need some more acidity to it. Taste this one more time just to make sure I got the flavors correct. Perfect. I think all the flavors in the dressing is balanced. Now for the nearly last step, we're gonna pan fry our barramundi. Mom put some oil on the pan and some salt on the barramundi. So how are we gonna cook it? We're gonna put the skin side face on the oil, just like how Mom is doing it right now. Mom turned the barramundi over and look how golden crispy the skin is. Look at that. It's a perfect barramundi. It looks delicious and smells delicious. But one most important thing of all, does it taste delicious? I think there's something missing. Oh, we forgot our dressing. How could we eat our gorgeous barramundi without the beautiful salad dressing at the top? Now let's sprinkle it over the beautiful fish. Look at the gorgeous, beautiful, fresh things we put. Last of all, we have a touch of beautiful, fresh coriander leaves. Spread them about. This is one of the most beautiful fish dishes. I think you'd love this, and I think for you it'd be one of the best fish dishes in the world. Now let's get tasting. Let's crunch through. Oh goodness, you can hear the beautiful crunch of the skin. This is spectacular. All the vibrant flavors and acidity in this dressing has been just balanced perfectly. And you could hear the crisp of the crackling skin on the fish, and the meat is just cooked absolutely perfectly. The fresh coriander It gives the little sparkle to the look, and every element in this dish is just perfect. So this is a must-try dish, one of my most favorite dishes in the world. But it's not the end here now. We'll see you soon in another cooking adventure. Bye.
Crazy hairstyle.
And do you like my crazy hairstyle?